Hello, it's Rip Paper Scissors. I'm back today to do a layout for Mixed Media Mayhem. And the themes or the things we're supposed to use today are staples, ribbon or twine, and paint. So today I have my stapler, I have some twine, and what was the other? Oh, paint. I just have plain old white acrylic paint. And I've grabbed two yellow inks from my little cart. And I suspect it's going to be the scattered straw, but I will do a little testing on a piece of paper here. I'm just going to smoosh some ink out on the mat and mix in the white paint and see if we can get a color that's going to match with the yellow. Now, I also have been kind of thinking, these are the papers that I had, oh yeah, I've done those too. These were the papers that were in this kit. And I think I'm just going to do away with the black cardstock. I think I'll just do probably matting with it, but I don't think I'll be actually using it for the background. That I think is what I'm going to use. And if you see I found this sketch. This is a Christie's Beautiful Life Series 8. I'm not sure which sketch it is. There's no name on it. But it's there's only two pieces of pattern paper, really. Or two pattern papers, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I like these together, and I think we'll just use the floral as the background. I have gone ahead and cut a few of the banners. One was the back of a paper that I had put in this kit that had hats on it. I think I've put it away already. And just another random piece in my scrap bin. So somehow we'll kind of work those all together. And everything else I have that we had in this kit is over here. I had a title. I'm not sure if you can even see that. Kind of, yep. A title. It was going to just be Sweet Life. Some bling, buttons, a frame, lots of little things to work in with this. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and how will I do this? Let me get the strip. Oh, there is no branding on that one. Let me get this off. And this paper again is Cartabella Here Comes Spring. And this is from 24. So it's not too old. And it's so sweet. And when I saw the picture with the onesie with the little bees on it, I thought it was perfect. So I hope this will do. Just not sure which way I want it going yet. I don't know if it's really gonna matter. I'm going to try it like that and see. So let me just go ahead and cut these, get a couple of pieces organized, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've kind of got things laid out. That was 5 by 9, I believe. And this is also 5 by 8. And then by, what was this? 3 by 9 and 3 by 8. Now, I know in the sketch she doesn't have, or whoever doesn't have the doilies. I'm still debating on those. Not sure if those are going to go in or not. I've got lots of the banners to put in. So I'm not sure if if or what I'm going to do. And where the title is, I'm not sure again, because this is going to kind of wash right into the background. So I might kind of push it over a little bit, but I was going to quickly check the ink colors just to see. I'll just put a little bit down. Yeah, when that's dry, that could be nice. The one, that Scattered Straw. Here's Mustard Seed, but I think it's just going to be, yeah, I think it's going to be a bit bright. Okay, so I'll use the Scattered Straw. I'll get a little mat out. We will do some paint swatches somewhere. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. Oh, you know, I might be able to put some right in this area. Maybe, and again, maybe down here. And if, now that it's going to be a more solid color, the Sweet Life might actually be able to stand out on that a bit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything matted. Ink the edges in black. I might trim the borders off here a little bit because it's a bit too thick, too wide for me. I'd like it a little closer to the black. So I will get that all done and be back again. Okay, so I've made a little mess over here with the paint and the Scattered Straw, but it's all mixed up. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit here. And I'm just going to be very random with it. I could use a stencil or something, but I think I'm just going to do some light little paint swatches, or swipes, I guess is a better term. I want to get that a little darker. And probably I'll lift this up a little bit. Okay, and I'll kind of bring it, oh, I might even come up a little more and come all the way down over here, just to make it like movement from the top left to the bottom right. Sorry, you probably can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'll see how much concentration I'm using to do this. It's just slap it on. You don't have to think too much about it. And that's it. That's what I'm going to do. I mean, if you're fancy and good at drawing, maybe you can paint a picture, you know, like I'm not artistic like that. So this type of smooshing is good enough for me, but I'm sure lots of other people will be doing something amazing. Okay, and then I'm just going to roll this back up and put it back into my little tube. I think I showed this to you a few weeks ago, or a week or so ago. I just have a paper towel tube, and I've got a bit more paint on there. And I just pop it back in and in my drawer, and then I don't have to worry about it bending or anything. Okay, I'm just going to lay those back down. I will put this aside to rinse out when I'm finished here. And so I did take away the doilies. I'm not going to worry about those. They're just going to go back in the white color bin. And I've inked the edges black. So I still need the stapler. Oh, I still haven't done the Sweet Life. Okay, so we still have some bits and pieces I need to figure out. So let me carry on just getting a few more ideas done here, and I will be back again. Okay, so I did try to trim a little bit off the white off of these words, and I didn't care for it either. So part of it's done, the rest of it isn't. I inked the edges black, so that should help. And I'm kind of thinking I'm just going to pop the title right in there, Sweet Life. And then we have the embellishments. Now I did pull 4 black photo corners, and I'm kind of thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, just for something a little different. So let's see if that will work. Not using them as a photo corner, but it just might help those pop. And I have more black too if I decide I want more. Okay. Actually, I think that looks kind of neat. Just like a step. Okay. And one more. So I think for now, that's all I'll do with those. At the end, if I decide we want more, I want more. Why am I doing that? Then I can certainly add more. So just doing a little bit of glue on here. Oops. And we're gonna go something like that. All right. I hope you can see. Sweet Life. Awesome. Well, okay, maybe I'll have to move that down a little bit. Okay. All right. I did use my heat gun to quickly dry the paint. So now it's warped a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to use the staple just to, maybe I'll put that up a bit, just to get these in place. All right, and there's one down here. I'll curl around. Oh, now will I reach? Oh, shoot. Nope. So there. There. And now I still have a few embellishments, like other than the banner that's here, we've got everything else that was on the design, on the sketch. So kind of wondering, I don't know that I like that it's bringing in pink, because we don't really have pink. And the baby isn't pink. The baby's a blue. So what do we think about... Now again, I don't know whether that's going to stand out. Oh, if that's going to stand out quite enough. What if we kind of overlap them? Something like that. You know, I'm just going to go ahead with the checkered one first, and I'll just run a bead of the glue across where the string is supposed to go, and I will still adhere that, and we'll staple it on as well. Now, maybe I'll just take a quick peek. Oh, while I'm thinking of it, could you please do me a favor and like, subscribe, and comment if you could? I would really appreciate that. And I never remember till the end of the video, so I'm trying to catch it early this time. Thank you very much if you could. You know, it's kind of almost monotone again. I think I'm just going to leave it with the one color here. I'll pop this up, I think. Save those for another layout. Okay. I somewhere have itty bitty little clothespins, or paper clip, or yeah, clothespins. I have no idea right now where they are, because that would be cute too. Just hang a clip on each end. But I don't know where they are. So kind of angle that something like that. Like that. And what is the other ones? That one doesn't really curl. Or do I just have to force it maybe? Oh yeah. Okay, I just kind of made it curl a bit. Okay, so that one, and I feel like I need one more, but I don't know where I'd put it. I might just put it there. Okay, let me finish that up and then we'll be back just to do some final touches.